Hello everyone, this is Triple Three G's. Yes, today I'm here to give you guys the male version of a cassette format. You know, last time I published the female ladies version, so today is for male version of cassette format. You know that format of when you are with your girlfriend and another girl's incoming call comes in, or you're with your wife and the side shift call comes in and you turn dumb automatically and you be hearing okay, no, I will call you back. Someone just called you. Did the person say she doesn't have airtime and you're saying I will call you back? My dear, it has casted. They've all known that format. You know that format of I wish I met you before my wife. I could have married you. It has casted. They've all known. Immediately you want to start it, they know it's a trick you want to use. So it's a casted format. You know that format of I forgot my ATM, my bank is having issue. I'm having issue with my bank. One go how or they know it's a trick to discharge, like not to give them money or something. You're just trying to use it as an excuse. Then another one is asking a girl you just met for sex. Why you are against asking you for money? I don't know if you're getting the point I'm making. You are against a girl asking you for money, demanding, like asking for money while she just met you, like recently. The same thing now. Why asking for sex? So that format, it has casted. They've all known it. Immediately you want to start asking for sex, they know that one. Listen for another male version. This is a girl you promised marriage, right? Now you want to use the innocent woman in the village to cover up. My mother said I must marry from my village. Why must you use that innocent woman as excuse to discharge a girl you promised marriage? It has casted. Immediately you want to use your mother as excuse. My mother, they've all known. Now I don't know, it's like male format is more. My dear, you know that format of trying to ask her some questions that will make her feel like he's like this guy is interested though. Baby, I hope your village marriage list is not much, yo. So as to convince her, like make the girl feel like he's interested. It's like he's interested on marriage. For him to ask me such question, means it's like he's thinking of marriage. It's a casted format. Most of them immediately start asking it. They'll be like, I don't understand. Many of them will. All these things I'm saying is not all men that are doing this thing. I'm just listing those formats so that if you are among those that are using it or saying it, I always say, so you know that it has casted. Anything many people have known is a casted stuff. Once many have known about it, my dear, it has casted. You know that format of immediately you meet a girl, baby, send me pictures for my eyes only. That statement has casted. They are scared of blackmailing, so immediately you want to use that system of, baby, send me pictures, this, that. My dear, it has casted. They've known it. It's not like some are not sending, but I'm just trying to list that male version of some casted formats. Not all, there are a lot of formats. You know that format of calling numerous pet names. Girls are tired of it. It has casted. A girl, you just immediately you meet a girl, names will be flowing. Angel, strawberry, cupcake, sugar, honey, different names, honey pie, candy, a lot of names flowing. My dear, just what is your name? She will tell you. You can call, even if it's only one you call as a responsible man. Why calling one person all these names? It has casted. I know why I'm saying it too. The same way you guys are complaining is the same way ladies are also complaining. So we are not, this is not a thing of a one-sided stuff. No. We are just bombing the truth. So if you are a man using this format, my dear, it has casted. You know that format of making promises while you're mounting. You know what is mounting? While you're mounting, you'll be making promises. They no longer regard any promises made on mountain. No. Because immediately you come down from mountain, promises will change. Promises will end. So it's a casted format now. It's better you promise her something normal. Not when you're mountain, you'll be giving promises. When you're mountain, you'll be giving, it's a casted stuff. Immediately you start to giving promises, promising. They will not be happy again. They are complaining it that every time when you're mountain, you say, okay, baby, I will give you money. You want to do that, Shebi? Okay, no problem. You are saying no problem. You want to buy hair, no problem. Immediately you come down from that mountain, everything will change. So it's a casted stuff. It has casted. There are some things that are also complaining, like some statements of calling her my wife. Why you don't have intention of marrying her, and your friends will be calling her our wife. Some of your relatives, our wife. That statement, our wife, has casted. One no cast go amarago. Our wife has casted. Another format is that format you are with your new girlfriend, and you start talking against the former one. Yeah? You start telling her bad of that former one. Many girls are no longer interested on that. And the another format, you are a married man and you want a side chick. You want to talk to a lady and you present your wife. My wife is stressing me. My wife is stressing me. She's a problem. She's giving me trouble. Why destroying your wife's reputation? Just to get a lady. Because you want to get a lady. It's not all men or responsible men. They don't do that. Ladies are all over. You talk to a lady, if the lady accepts you, good. As you want to cheat now. But why using that innocent woman at home? Why using your wife, the innocent wife, at home to get a lady? My dear, it has casted. They have known. So anything many people have known is a casted stuff. Okay? So if you are a man doing all this, know it that as you are doing it, many ladies have known is a casted format. This is 333 G's. More videos loading.